In this video, you'll learn how to share your Microsoft Bookings calendar so clients and co-workers can easily schedule time with you online. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what the options mean, and a couple of simple tips to make sharing smoother. First, start by opening Microsoft Bookings in your browser. Sign in with your work or school account if you're not already logged in. When Bookings loads, you'll see a list of booking pages or calendars associated with your organization. Think of each page as its own public-facing booking site, usually for a specific person, team, or service. Begin by selecting your page. Look for the booking page that you want to share. This might be your own personal calendar, a shared team calendar, or a specific service calendar, depending on how your organization has set things up. Click on the name of that page to open its settings and management view. It's important to pick the correct page here because the link you share will take people directly to this specific booking page and its available services. Once your page is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several tabs that control different parts of your booking setup, such as services, staff, and business information. To access the link you'll be sharing, click the Booking Page tab in the left sidebar. This is where you manage what the public sees, things like your booking policies, time increments, and most importantly, the URL you'll send to others. After you click the Booking Page tab, give it a second to load. Near the top of this page, you'll see a section that shows the public web address, or URL, for your booking site. This is the link that customers, students, or colleagues will use to view your available times and book appointments with you. Make sure that the booking page is published and active. If it isn't, people won't be able to access it, even if they have the link. Now you're ready to share it. Right next to the URL at the top, click Copy. This copies the entire booking link to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it anywhere you like, in an email, a chat message, on your website, or even in your email signature. A useful tip is to save this link in a place you access frequently, like a Notes app or a Templates folder, so you don't have to come back and copy it every time. If you prefer to send the link directly from Microsoft Bookings, you can also click Email instead of Copy. When you click Email, Bookings opens an email draft that already includes your booking page link. You can type in the recipient's email address, add a short message explaining what the link is for, and then send it right from your usual email interface. This is handy when you're setting things up for the first time or inviting a group of people to start using your booking page. And that's all there is to it. You've selected your booking page, opened the booking page settings, and either copied the URL or emailed it directly. Once people have that link, they can book time with you without all the back and forth messages, and you stay in control of your availability through the booking settings.